The 2025 Nomadia Motorhome is a masterpiece of modern exploration, perfectly blending high-tech comfort with road trip freedom. Designed for those who crave the open road without sacrificing the luxury of home, the 2025 model stands as a true evolution in the world of mobile living. This is not just another RVA, it's a fully equipped, intelligently designed motorhome that transforms every journey into a premium experience. Whether you're escaping for the weekend or embracing full-time van life, the 2025 Nomadia has everything you need, and then some. Built on a robust and fuel-efficient chassis, the 2025 Nomadia Motorhome carries a refined, aerodynamic silhouette that cuts through the wind with elegance. Its modern body lines, sleek LED lighting, and panoramic windshield give it a futuristic presence on the highway. The front features a bold grille that merges seamlessly with integrated fog lamps, and its high ground clearance ensures you can comfortably transition from city streets to rural trails without a hitch. It's a head-turner, no matter where you park it. Stepping inside, you're greeted with a space that feels more like a modern apartment than a vehicle. Premium wood-finish flooring, ambient lighting, and large windows create an open, airy vibe that instantly relaxes you. The interior layout has been meticulously crafted for optimal space utilization. A convertible lounge area doubles as a dining space and entertainment zone, complete with the smart TV and surround sound system. The compact yet fully equipped kitchen includes a 3-burner stove, convection microwave, full-sized refrigerator, and even a built-in espresso machine, all powered by solar-supported lithium battery banks. The bedroom is nothing short of a cozy retreat. It features a full-size memory foam mattress, overhead storage, dual USB charging stations, and blackout curtains for total privacy. The climate control system ensures year-round comfort, whether you're parked in the desert or nestled in the mountains. Even the bathroom is thoughtfully designed, with a full wet bath, water-saving flush system, and a skylight that makes the space feel even more open. Performance-wise, the 2025 Nomadia Motorhome is built for adventure. It's powered by a hybrid diesel-electric engine that offers excellent mileage without sacrificing power. The advanced suspension system makes long drives smoother, while driver assist tech like lane keeping assist, adaptive cruise control, and a 360-degree camera system keeps you confident on the road. The onboard navigation is tailored for RV travelers, avoiding low bridges and narrow roads, and includes real-time campsite recommendations along your route. Tech lovers will appreciate the Nomadia's smart integration. Voice-activated controls manage lighting, climate, and entertainment. There's even an app that lets you remotely monitor power usage, tank levels, and security systems. Combined with rooftop solar panels and an inverter system, off-grid camping has never been easier or more sustainable. The 2025 Nomadia Motorhome is more than a vehicle, it's a lifestyle enabler. It brings freedom, comfort, and innovation together in one mobile sanctuary. For those seeking the thrill of exploration without giving up the comforts of home, this motorhome delivers everything you've dreamed of and more. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to 2025 Nomadia Motorhome for more incredible mobile living content.